Morning already, Lonnie.
Dawn's late today. Fields are waiting, though.
Unit 3's in a good mood. Didn't cough once on the way here.
That's a blessing. Let's put him to work before the sun climbs.
Oh, they get moving again, big fella.
Easy there, Unit 3. Left foot first.
She's sinking deep today.
More water last night. Keep the rope high, Lonnie.
Got it. Come on, big buffalo, step steady.
That's it. Just a few more meters and we'll turn her.
You hear that? That's the teeth biting. We welded these prongs from an old plow blade and rebar. When the drum turns, it chews the mud and lifts air into it. See the bubbles? Roots breathe better that way.
Looks like it's stirring porridge.
Porridge that grows rice. Watch this, I'll drop it deeper.
Come on, old boy.
Watch this. Thumb up, lamp on, turn left. The shoulders listen first. You hear? Hook the hand, pull forward, one step, palm up, stop. Good boy. Twist, pivot. See? Follows the wrist like a water buffalo's nose rope.
Walk smooth, Arun.
Down to rest.
There. Hear that? She's breathing proper now.
Stronger than before. Look at her go.
Ah, Buffalo Unit 3, proud of you, girl.
Whole valley's gonna hear that engine today.
Let 'em. She earned it.
Hold it steady. Funnel's a bit loose.
Got it. Tell me when it reaches the line.
You'll feel her fill up first.
Smells like last harvest night.
Yeah, same jug too.
That's it. She's empty.
All right, cap her up.
Done.
Let's wake her.
Look at it, Arun. Pulls like an ox, but don't eat a grain of rice.
Never complain, sister. Only cost more.
The sky's on fire tonight.
Feels like the field's breathing after a long day.
Buffalo's breathing too. We got a tick?
Means it's happy. We'll let it rest.
She doesn't like the cold nights. You can hear the metal shrinking.
We'll wrap the joints in the morning. That and a little oil, she'll be fine.
Still strange watching her stand so quiet.
Quiet means she trusts the night.
Rest easy, old friend. See you at first light.
Keep her straight, Lonnie. Let the blades bite deep.
Aye, straight as snake's back, Arun.
Little more to the left there. Hold it steady. Good girl, Unit 3. Good girl.
Singing today, listen to that deer.
Yeah. Another row and we'll break for tea. All right.
See how they walk holes here? That's where the seaman bends off the back. If we keep the weight on the left, there's a straight line.
Got it. You want me to shift the hoof a palm wider?
Yes, and slow the pace one notch. Let the mud settle before the next step.
Buffalo hears you, Lonnie.
Good boy, Unit 3. Keep walking.